This week you will be making a map of your own bedroom. And we are going to be sure to include the elements of maps that we learned about last week. You might remember that all maps will need to have a title, a key, or what's also called a legend, and a compass rose. Today we are going to set up your title and the compass rose. Please be mindful of how big I draw my compass rose on my example. You can see this paper is a full-size sheet of paper, and I will be adding my compass rose just in the small top corner. The compass rose won't take up very much room because we want to leave room for the other items that we're actually going to be on the maps of our rooms. In the top center of the page right now, I'm going to add my title. Okay, so you will say your name with an apostrophe S and in your room. The next thing I need to do is draw my compass rose. It's going to be very small up in the top corner. We are going to draw a very simple compass rose. Start by drawing as straight as you can, a straight line up and down. Next, straight across that line, draw a straight line from right to left. Label these four corners so far: north, east, south, and west. Next, we are going to add what are called intermediate directions. We are going to need to draw a line across diagonally both of these sections. Think of it like you're drawing an X through the middle of what you've already written so far. When we label intermediate directions, we're really thinking if I go straight up, that would be north, straight to the right is east, so in between these two is what we call northeast. So rather than going straight north or straight east, I'm going a little bit up and a little bit to the right, northeast. If I go a little bit down and to the right, that would be southeast. If I go a little bit down and to the left, that is what we call southwest. And if I go a little bit up and to the left, that would be northwest. Below where you have drawn your compass rose, I would like you to draw your key. So we are going to draw as neatly as we can a box. You will have to write in this box later on and draw symbols, so give yourself some room to add these symbols in later on. You might like to trace something with a straight edge to help you keep this nice and neat. I'm going to label this box key / legend. Throughout the week, we're going to continue working on our maps. Please don't move ahead because you'll want to make sure that you know what the directions are. For today's lesson, all you need to do is add your title, your compass rose, and then the box that you've labeled key/legend.